Okay, so I want you to stop. Stop obsessing about which autoimmune disease you have. Guys, there's over 100. And there isn't a specific test for each and every single one of them. That's the first thing. Second of all, what I want to challenge you to do is not obsess about which autoimmune condition you have, but obsess about why you have it. Why is your immune system, not Billy's over here, not Sally's over here, not Vanessa's. Okay, why is your immune system freaking out? What is causing that problem? Okay, don't worry about these ANAs, the TPO antibodies, all those different markers. Okay, don't worry about which labs your specific specialist or naturopath or whatever it is going to run, or you want them to run or has run. Don't worry about, which genetics you do or don't have. Guess what? There's going to be things that trigger it. Any single person in this entire world can have an autoimmune disease. Sorry, not sorry, okay? And once you have it, yeah, you're going to have to live with it. Yes, okay, diet has a part in it, or nutrition. Okay, yes, movement. Yes, stress. There's things that are going to exacerbate the stress, like things at work. Okay, a big project. Those are the cute ones. There's going to be infections. You're going to have, those of us who are women, pregnancies. You're going to have trauma. You're going to have all those things that are going to happen and more. Okay, yes, there's things that are going to exacerbate it. Things that are going to bring it out and then be like, oh, hi, I'm here. But guess what? Think about it. If there's things that make it worse, don't you think there's going to be things that make it better too? I definitely believe so. So I want you to stop obsessing about, oh my gosh, do I have lupus? Oh my gosh, do I have rheumatoid arthritis? Oh my gosh, do I have, guess what? Almost all of the autoimmune diseases, you're going to have some pain. You're going to have fatigue. You're going to be drained. You're going to get sick easy. You're going to be all the things, okay? You're going to have that. You're going to. So start obsessing instead about which autoimmune disease you have, which test you've run, just hyper focusing on your symptoms and playing the whole Google game of, okay, type in thyroid. Okay, type in, I've got brain fog, thyroid, whatever, markers. Okay, I've got Addison's. Is it Addison's disease or is it adrenal insufficiency? Is it just joint pain from me working out, or is it lupus? Is it like, stop, just stop, okay? First of all, Google's not a doctor. Second of all, everyone has a freaking opinion, okay? Third of all, okay, here's the deal. Stop obsessing about what symptom, what disease, which one it is. I mean, do you really want to be identified by a label, first of all? Second of all, start focusing on who can help you. Who can help you through this? I'm going to tell you one thing. It's not going to be your endocrinologist. I could tell you stories for days about endocrinologists and saying people do or don't have it based on how they look or based on just one test, okay? Your rheumatologist is not going to help you. Okay, gastroenterologist is not going to help you. Your PCP is not going to help you. I love naturopaths and functional medicine doctors, but I'm going to tell you most of them are not going to help you either. Okay, they're going to put Band-Aids on it. And I'm sorry, but a conventional doctor versus a naturopath or a functional medicine doctor, instead of giving a medication, they're going to give you a supplement. Okay? And I'm not saying either one, medication or supplement, is wrong, but those are just Band-Aids. Let's start uncovering the root cause to your autoimmune condition. Like, think about it. Like, why is my immune system freaking out? Why? And who is going to actually help me with it? This is what I do. I want you guys to keep on designing the best you, that you were created to be here on this earth, to give God glory. Okay? Not to sit here and wallow in and do all this extensive research in your pain and your symptoms and which disease do I have of a freaking 100 and some of them. Okay? Knock it off. Okay? So those people are not going to help you address the root cause. That's what I do. So if you're interested in saying adios to another label, another identity, and start uncovering the root causes to your symptoms, to your autoimmune diseases, and start getting healed start on that path to vitality and wellness so that you can go out there and instead of sitting in your bed all day or calling in 100 days a year sick, that you can actually get some help. Okay, go ahead and DM me, comment below, share your story, reach out to me in any way that you want, and I will go ahead and help you on that path.